Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can outline your GIF in Google Slides. First of all, we want to pick a GIF that we want to outline. I chose this avatar guy. So what we are going to do, we press right click on our GIF and we go to format options. When we are here, we have this option in here that says drop shadow. We just click the drop shadow and we go for a distance. For example, now you can see we are getting some outlines or some shadows. You can play around with position where you want to be outlined. You can go with transparency to make it pure black or fade, blur radius, and also the color of your background. This one is sepia toned, so let's go like this. You can choose an angle and so on, maybe a little bit of distance, blur radius, and as you can see, our GIF is transparency, maybe, yeah, like this. Our GIF has this quite nice outline that will go well with maybe different background, but it's completely up to you. Well, thanks for watching and see you on the next video.